everybody. We'll be back. Just a second. Thank you, thank you. More bass, a little less guitar. Pardon? What cowbell? We need more cowbell. Here it is.